Hi there, this is Manohar Hussain from Wix Web Expert. In this video I will show you how can you change your website link image on Wix. Like yes, if I want to share a website link on any social media, then how can I share it? Like yes, this is my website. So in this website, if I will share the link with anywhere, like yes, if I want to post it on my Facebook, so let me go to my profile, and if I want to put here the link, then you can see here a social image generating here. So how can you control it? How can you change it? So at first that you need to do, you need to go to your website first, and then you just need to go to settings here, and then we need to find website settings, and then here you can see this is the website name, this is the website URL, and here is the favicon, and here is the general social image. So to make this change live, publish your website in the editor. So whenever you will update the picture, if I remove the picture from here and if I will upload the image again here, then what I need to do, I need to find the picture. I can go to my sites file, and from here I can find which logo or icon I want to display there when I will share it. So like as I want to display my logo, Wix Web Expert add icon, you can see it's not fit here, so let me remove it, and there have obviously a size to upload it, so you need like as a horizontal picture. So let me scroll it down and let me use only the icon. I have used previously this one, but for now I want to use a logo there. Let me use this one, and it's fit here, so just need to save it, and you can see here there have a note. It can take time before you see this change on social network, so it will take some time to do it. If I will click learn more, I can understand about that. Facebook, it's look like this. To update your page, we need to go to menu and page, show more, click SEO Google, social share, upload image, and we have done that, no problem with that. Okay, so after done that, let me just make sure it's automatically save. And what I can do, I can just go to the website, and I can, let me go to the editor, and I can give a refresh there, so it will be published. Let me wait, the editor is opening. I have used the wall editor to create the website. If you need any kind of Wix assistance, you may knock me. I can assist you to solve your any kind of issue. Let me just give a publish there. That's it. This is the first way to do it. After the publish the site, if I will go here and refresh it again, and if I want to publish the link again, and let me put the link here, then you can see it is not changed yet. So this problem you will face if you have done the search engine optimization before and you want to change your logo or the social share website link image. So you just need to do another things. You just need to go to your website editor, and for your website, every page you can set different link, different. Obviously your website there have some of the pages and so you have the different link, and you can set different picture on it. So to make sure, let me just go to the home page, and from here let me just click SEO and the basic, and let me go to the social share. So we have seen on Facebook, we can see this link here, this image here. With this website link, we can see this picture because of I set social share image this one. So let me just delete it and let me update it. You can see it's updated from the settings. There I have just updated. So once it will be done, just make sure you publish the editor again. And now if I will go there, let's see if it's changed. Let me just put the website. It's not changed yet because it will take some time to do, so we need to wait some of the time, and then we can see the image has been updated. Okay, so look like that way you can change your website link image on Wix. Like as you want to share your website link on social media like as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any of the social media, if you will share the website link, then look like that way a thumbnail image you can display there, and it's editable. You can change the picture whenever you want. So that's it for today. If you need any kind of Wix help, then you may knock me on the video description. You can see there I have a free schedule, WhatsApp. You may knock me any of them. Okay, see you on WhatsApp or the free schedule. Thank you so much. Bye for now.